What's up, everybody? It's Hannah. Let's take a tour of Lincoln and Conway.
This is the cute courtyard where there are often bonfires, and then we have a community garden as well. One of the amenities is a gym. This has a couple different things, some free weights, some yoga mats, and you can really do whatever you want here. Now into Conway, which is where the RA office is, across from a little study room. And then both buildings have their own laundry, which is free. And then there are also gender-neutral bathrooms, which are near the meeting room. This is where a couple games can be played, where RA events are held, and there are also some vending machines. Onto the dorms themselves, you do have to beep yourself in.
So this is our living area. We have a big kitchen and a living room that leads into a nice bathroom with a tub and a shower. Let's go to my room. Conway has two different room styles. The two rooms on the end, A and D, are a little bit bigger than the other rooms, but not by much. Both Lincoln and Conway come with a desk, a chair, a closet, a set of drawers, and a bed. The rest is up to you.